Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up Chime's two-factor authentication. Let's get straight into it. First step is to log into your Chime account. So just go ahead and open the Chime mobile app and log into your account. You can also log into the website, and once you're logged in, you move on to step 2, and that's to access the two-factor authentication settings. Just tap settings in the bottom navigation bar and then choose the security option and then select the two-factor authentication options. Now step 3 is to choose your two-factor authentication method. So just choose from available two-factor authentication methods such as SMS or text message. You also have authenticator app, and you also have voice call. Now just follow the prompts to set up your chosen two-factor authentication method. Now the fourth step is to verify your two-factor authentication setup. So just confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled and working correctly. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up Chime's two-factor authentication. I hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.